Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and uncover the fascinating stories behind the creatures that call it home. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going on an adventure to explore one of the most intriguing insects in the animal kingdom, the giant weta. These incredible creatures are often referred to as living fossils due to their ancient lineage, which dates back to the time of the dinosaurs. But what exactly is a giant weta? In simple terms, it's a large, flightless insect that belongs to the family Anostomatidae. There are over 70 species of giant wetas, ranging in size, color, and behavior, but they all share one thing in common: their impressive size. Some species can grow up to 10 centimeters in length, making them one of the largest insects in the world. The evolutionary history of giant wetas is a fascinating story that spans over 100 million years. Fossil records show that these insects have remained largely unchanged since the Cretaceous period, earning them their reputation as living fossils. But despite their ancient lineage, giant wetas are still an important part of their ecosystems today. From a scientific perspective, giant wetas are classified as orthopterans, which includes crickets, grasshoppers, and katydids. They have a distinctive body shape, with a large head, long antennae, and powerful hind legs that enable them to jump great distances. But what's really interesting about giant wetas is their unique biology. For example, they have a specialized respiratory system that allows them to breathe more efficiently, which is essential for their high metabolic rate. One of the key researchers who contributed to our understanding of giant wetas is Dr. George Gibbs, a New Zealand entomologist who spent his career studying these insects. His work on the behavior, ecology, and evolution of giant wetas has been instrumental in shedding light on these fascinating creatures. More recently, researchers like Dr. Mary Morgan Richards have been studying the genetic diversity of giant wetas, which has revealed some surprising insights into their evolutionary history. But what's really fascinating about giant wetas is their behavior. These insects are nocturnal, which means they're most active at night, and they have a unique way of communicating with each other through sound. Male giant wetas will often engage in loud singing competitions to attract females, using their powerful hind legs to produce a distinctive chirping noise. And if you're lucky enough to observe them in the wild, you might even see them performing a complex courtship ritual, which involves a lot of strutting and posturing. Giant wetas also have some remarkable ecological relationships. For example, they play a crucial role in seed dispersal and nutrient cycling in their native habitats. They're herbivores, which means they feed on plants, and they can consume up to 20% of their body weight in leaves and other plant material per day. This makes them important ecosystem engineers, helping to maintain the balance of their ecosystems. Unfortunately, giant wetas are facing numerous threats, including habitat destruction, predation by introduced species like rats and cats, and climate change. As a result, many conservation efforts are underway to protect these incredible insects and their habitats. For instance, the New Zealand Department of Conservation has established protected areas and implemented control measures to reduce the impact of invasive species. As we explore the world of giant wetas, it's essential to remember the importance of preserving biodiversity and ecological balance. These creatures may seem like giants in their own world, but they're also a reminder of the delicate interconnectedness of all living things. By studying and protecting species like the giant weta, we can gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it. In conclusion, giant wetas are not just fascinating insects, they're also a key component of their ecosystems. Their unique biology, behaviors, and ecological relationships make them an important area of study for scientists and conservationists alike. As we continue to learn more about these incredible creatures, we're reminded of the importance of preserving the natural world and all its wonders. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.